This man had a completely deviated outer structure to the right side. He met with the accident this morning. Now I am applying a digital pressure. I have given the anesthesia. Can you hear the cracking sound? So I have made the digital manipulation to straighten his nose. Salvate सीधी करो. See, there is a marked improvement. Can you appreciate it?
Yeah.
Now, Rinko, you tell your observation. Nose has become straightened now.
Yes, it is.
This is not possible without a good anesthesia. Good anesthesia relaxes the patient, and I'm just doing my job. Well, I will check from inside also, because inside there is sufficient space. Yeah, there is sufficient space. Sometimes if the fracture segment is depressed, we may elevate the segment by using Welsh forceps, which I don't think I need to apply because it may cause unnecessary bleeding. Well, I am satisfied from my end. So this is the final thing. You can take the picture.